Hi, welcome to my channel Raw Electron. Today I am going to showing you how to make a 12 volt DC power supply or any voltage you need it. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you get the latest updates. So let's start. The components here you need are, first of all, you need a full bridge rectifier. You have to make the full bridge rectifier like this. If you don't want to make this with diodes, you can use the other package, which is a small kit of full bridge rectifier. You can also use this. So I will also teach you how to make this by diodes. Components are the 4 1 and 4007 diodes, an electrolytic capacitor to obtain pure DC at the output, and the most important component is yes, it's a transformer. So let's start. First of all, we have to make the bridge rectifier. Take two diodes like this and connect both them in this direction. Negative side of both diodes are in this direction. And now take other two diodes and connect their positive sides. The gray side is negative and this side is right side is positive. Let's connect them. And last step, you have to connect these diodes in this direction. Positive side this one, negative this one. So full bridge rectifier is ready. Now we have to connect the electrolytic capacitor to its output. As you can see that that capacitor negative is connected to this side of diodes and positive side to this. Please make sure these polarized capacitors have polarity and never connect them backwards, otherwise they will end up like this. As you can see, that is the blasted capacitor. Previously I connected it backwards and it blasted. So next step is to connect the transformer to the output. So let's connect. Now it's done. So transformer is already on. Now we have to check the output voltage. You need a multimeter. Set the multimeter to 20 volt DC range and measure the output. As you can see that it is about 18.2 volts, because here capacitor is helping to make the voltage up, so it's on 18 volts. Otherwise, when we connect the some load, when current draws from the transformer, it will shift to almost 13 volts and 14 volts. So it's a regulated, you can say. So now I will test this. This is a 12 volt LED strip. Now I will connect to this. It can be damaged if the voltage is 18 volts, so you can add a resistor to it. So let's connect it. wrong polarity. As you can see that LED is glowing. In camera it may be seen that it's blinking, but it's not blinking. It's working now. You can connect the 1 ampere load to a 12 volt depending upon the type of transformer and ampere. So that's all. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please you can ask me in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share and subscribe, press the bell icon. Stay tuned for the next video.